Hey YouTube, welcome back to BeardedCubing 101. My name is Joe. I'm your host, the BeardedCuber. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve a pyraminx. Super simple cube. Just go ahead and grab your pyraminx, get it scrambled up, and we can get started. Okay, so now that we got the pyramid all scrambled up, the first thing that we want to do is we want to recognize what we're looking at here. We're going to start with the orange side. And what we want to accomplish is we want to get 1, 2, 3 orange edge pieces. So this piece, this one, and this one. That's all we're concerned about. But before we do that, let's locate where we can actually do it. Because one of these sides is not going to have an orange. So this tip here will not have an orange. So the orange has to be on this side right here. So just go ahead and rotate the cube or pyramid until you get what you need. Let's see. That one and that one. Great. Okay. And just make sure you got your tips in place. So this is exactly what we're looking for. 3 orange tips and then 3 edge pieces in these positions. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. This is now going to represent the bottom of the cube, okay? And the way that we're going to place these missing pieces is by using the top of the cube. We're going to use the top of the cube here to move and manipulate pieces. So this portion of the cube right here. So for example, this orange blue piece is going to have to go right here. This is the blue side of the cube because just look at the tips. Okay, we know the tips are correct because the orange is correct. So this side must be blue and this side here must be yellow. So put the orange blue to the orange blue side. Then turn. We want to turn this side up like that, and then you can take this orange blue and move it into position, then just move it back. So that's how you place that one orange blue right there. Let's kick this one out because this is an orange yellow and this is not correct. So we'll move this out of the way just like we do in the 3x3. Just simply move it out of the way, put yellow to yellow. Okay, so the orange, yellow, yellow to yellow. Put this side back up and put that into position and then right back. We're almost done. So we're going to have to kick this one out. Okay, so just simply move it out of the way. Turn it. Okay, now that you kicked it out of position, put it where it belongs. So orange, green, green to the green. Take this side right here, turn it up, turn that in, and return it. So the bottom is now complete, and you also have all your bottom layer is complete. Okay, now all that's left is the positioning of the top layers. So the way we do that is we just position the centerpiece to the blue, and then the yellow is going to fall in line with all these bottom yellows, and the green will fall in line with the bottom green. Okay, so the first thing that we're looking for is, and of course you can just turn the top one to its respective color. So there's a couple situations that we're looking for. Now the one in the back here, this one's already placed correctly, so that's a fully placed piece. However, this needs to be flipped and this needs to be flipped. So this is one of the situations that you can run into. In this case, just put either side down. So we're going to just turn this side down. It doesn't matter which side, we'll just start with this one. And then we'll bring this side down, back up, and back up. Okay, so what did that do for us? Well, all that did was it took a blue piece out, or an orange piece out from down here. So let's go ahead and fix that. We'll just put that color to color, so blue to blue, the orange, blue to blue. Put this side back up, okay, because look, this is the side that it came off of. We're just going to put that back up, put that into position, and then take all these blues and put it right back. Okay, so what did that do? Well, that gave us another situation. Now this is solvable. These two need to go counterclockwise into this position right here. And these two need to go counterclockwise into, or clockwise, I'm sorry, into that position. So this is going to be a clockwise rotation situation that we're looking at right here. And the way that we get past this is we know that it's going to be a clockwise rotation, or that's what we want. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this corner right here, right? These pieces right here, and you're going to turn them back once. We know we want to go clockwise, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to do a counterclockwise move. So if you require a clockwise move, just do a counterclockwise move instead. And this is what I mean. So instead of going clockwise, we're going to go backwards. And then we're going to go bring this back up. Counterclockwise. Bring this side back up. Counterclockwise and back down. And that solves the pyramid. Okay, let's do another example. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to solve this thing again. First things first, let's find the tips. That's always easy enough done. Get that. And there we go. Okay, so, oh no, that's not it. That's it. Okay, that's it right there. So 3 tips and 3 edge pieces, just like so. Remember, this is going to be the bottom side. And we'll just use the top layer here to move, manipulate pieces. So orange, green, green to green. Bring this side up. Turn that orange side in and back down. Let's find another orange. All right, great. There's already one here. Orange, blue to blue. Turn this side up. Place that orange. And there you go. And lastly, the orange, yellow, that's already in place. So yellow, yellow. Turn this side up. Turn that in. And that's it. So that orange is all done. And now, so is the entire bottom row. Okay, again. Center piece to its respective color. All right, so yellow to yellow, green to green, and blue to blue. Go ahead and just make it easier on yourself, I guess, if you want to turn the tip in. And all right, so again, wow, this one's placed already. So that one's placed. So it's green on that side, yellow on that side, but this one needs to be flipped and this one needs to be flipped. So it's basically the same deal as last time. Just go flip, 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 flip. And turn your orange or blue to blue, turn that up and in, and that fixes the bottom again. And again, this is going to be a clockwise rotation, so we already know how to fix that. And basically we're just going to do the turn it back once, counterclockwise, back, counterclockwise, forward, counterclockwise, back, and that fixes it. There's another situation that you could run into. So let's go ahead and get this thing scrambled up and we'll see if we can run into that situation. So I just showed you the same thing twice. All right, so let's get our tips into place. All right, tips are into place. All that's solved. Okay, blue to blue. Oh, my fault. Yeah, blue this way. Okay, and let's see. Green goes this way, and yellow goes this way. Oop. I in the wrong one. There you go. Yellow. goes that way. Okay. Tip to tip. All right. Now here's a situation where we have the green, yellow. So this is partially done. So this is a partial. So that's good. Blue, green. Well, this is partial as well because the green is complete, but the blue is not. But this one here doesn't belong at all. The blue, yellow. It's not blue or yellow on this side, and it's not blue or yellow on this side. So this one's not complete at all. But this one's partially complete, and this one's partially complete. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep the two partially completed ones towards us, and the one that doesn't match at all to the back. And then you take the one that is not complete. So it's this one. So we'll start with this one. So it's down, down, up, up. After you've done the down, down, up, up, you want to replace the orange. And you already know how to do that. Just put color to color, bring the orange side up, put that in, and bring it down. And that will solve the cube. So that's the second way of or situation that you may run into. Okay, so this is the last situation that you can run into where you're going to require a counterclockwise rotation to complete the solve. So just put it back to color on color and flip the one corner over 180 degrees. Since we know we need a counterclockwise rotation, we're just going to do the opposite, and we are going to turn it clockwise, down, clockwise, up, clockwise, down, and that will complete the solve.